Good Tuesday morning. I'm Weather Authority meteorologist Mark Collins. I bet you had some heavy rain yesterday. More showers and thunderstorms are going to be back today, but should not add up to the 3-inch totals we had over sections of St. Johns County around World Gulf Village. Some heavier downpours were around Duval as well, and we'll probably see some rain around Jacksonville during the afternoon hours. Let's get into the forecast. First off, we'll show you what's happening with this big plume of moisture that was over us yesterday. That has shifted further out over towards the Atlantic. You can see some of the rain that we had yesterday out over the Gulf Stream as well. Now our winds will turn a little more northeasterly during the afternoon. That will tend to push showers and storms over our southern areas. So today our high will climb to 88 degrees. Patchy early morning fog will give way to partly cloudy skies as we head through the afternoon, and it will definitely be a warm and muggy afternoon. Into the forecast models we go here, and this will show us the clouds in white, the rain in blue. We'll see some peppering of scattered showers coming in off the breeze out of the northeast as we head through the afternoon. Some of those could clip you around Brunswick and the Sea Isles as we head through the early morning hours. But really, it looks like the bulk of the activity will kind of gang up in our southern zones from around Palatka over towards St. Augustine and further south. So keep that in mind if you're going down the I-4 corridor in towards Orlando. Could be wet here today. And then for tomorrow, more showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. Let's talk about the tropics now. Tropical depression number 13. It's really kind of battling a lot of dry air. There's not much shear there, so the shear would allow the storm to intensify if it was very light like it is. But because it's not in a very humid environment, it doesn't look like it's going to get much traction to strengthen. So remaining a tropical storm on its track towards the northwest, finding a weakness there in the Bermuda Ridge, and it could be out there for quite some time, but never really getting that hurricane strength intensity. Now, on the other hand, with Tropical Storm Carl, this is forecast to become a Category 2 hurricane, and by Thursday, we might actually see some swells showing up on Jacksonville beaches from the storm. The trajectory is pointed right at us, but notice how it curves towards the north and then gets turned back towards the northeast as a cold front moves off of the mid-Atlantic coastline early next week. So this will not pose a threat to us, but it will intensify, and we'll see that system stay well off our coastline, as it too is in a fairly favorable environment. So when we take a look at the big picture here, what we're going to see is rain in the forecast here during the afternoon with highs in the upper 80s. The first day of fall, that comes in on Thursday. We will see some slightly cooler temperatures, but really no big drop in humidity. That may come later next week as we see somewhat of a stronger high pressure ridge build out to the Atlantic. But let's not get ahead of ourselves as we head into the weekend. Drier air settles in, so we're going to drop the rain chances just a bit. Make it a great Tuesday, everyone.